English thinking routine. Do this every morning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to your favorite English learning channel, English with Altaf. In today's video, we are going to share a simple and powerful English thinking routine that you can do every morning.
That's right. If you want to think in English and become fluent, this video is for you. We will show you what to do every morning to train your mind to start thinking in English naturally. Let's begin.
Let me ask you something. What is the first thing you think when you wake up in the morning? Is it, I'm sleepy, or where's my phone? Most of us begin our day with random thoughts, right?
Exactly. But if we want to improve our English, we need to change that. We need to start our day with English. That's the key. This routine is very easy and anyone can do it.
Yes, it takes just 10 minutes every morning. You don't need a partner, a book, or even a phone. All you need is your mind and a little bit of focus. Let's go step by step.
Step 1. When you open your eyes in the morning, say in English, "Good morning, it's a beautiful day." Even if you don't feel great, just say it. This sets a positive tone in English.
Step 2. Describe your surroundings in English. For example, you can say, I see the sunlight coming through the window, or I can hear the birds singing outside. This helps you observe your environment using English words.
That's a powerful technique. You are training your brain to notice things in English. Step 3 is think about your feelings. How do you feel today? You can say, I feel relaxed, or I feel tired but excited about the day. It's simple, but it makes a big difference.
Yes, and don't worry if you make mistakes. The goal is to think in English, not to be perfect. Step 4. Plan your day in English. For example, you can say, I have to go to work at 9 a.m. Today I will study English for 1 hour. I need to clean my room in the afternoon.
Planning your day like this helps you practice future tense naturally, and your mind starts preparing in English. Now, step 5 is interesting. Talk to yourself in English while getting ready. When you brush your teeth or wear clothes, just say what you're doing.
That's called self-talk, and it's a great habit. For example, I'm brushing my teeth now. I'm choosing this blue shirt today. I'm looking for my keys.
Exactly. It sounds funny at first, but it trains your brain to think and speak quickly in English. The more you do it, the faster you improve.
Let's review the 5 steps quickly. Say good morning in English. Describe what you see or hear. Talk about your feelings. Plan your day in English. Talk to yourself while getting ready.
Let's show you how it looks in real life. Annie, shall we try a short example?
Sure, I'll pretend it's morning now. Good morning, it's a nice day. I see some light coming from the window. I hear a dog barking outside. I feel calm and a bit lazy today. Today I have to make a presentation and also buy groceries. I'm brushing my hair now. I'll wear my white shoes today.
That's a perfect example. You just used past, present, and future sentences all in one go. You didn't even use a book, just your mind.
This routine is great for building confidence. And you don't need a high level of English to do this. Even if you know only simple words, start from there.
That's very important. Don't wait to be perfect. Fluency comes from daily practice. Do this every morning and you'll see a big change in how you think and speak.
Now let's give a few more ideas to expand this routine. For example, you can also look in the mirror and say, "Today I'm going to stay positive." Or say some motivational sentences in English like, "I believe in myself. I can do this. I'm learning and improving every day."
Yes. Motivation in English also helps your emotional connection with the language. And if you're a student or a working person, think about your tasks in English too. Say, I will attend the 10 a.m. meeting. I must complete my homework before lunch. I need to send that email to my teacher.
So now, instead of just learning English in books, you are living English. That's the goal. Make English part of your daily life.
And don't forget, keep a small notebook or notes app. If you forget a word while doing this morning routine, write it down and check it later. Learning happens even through mistakes.
That's true. Mistakes are good because they show you're trying. Be proud of every effort you make. English thinking becomes a habit with time.
Let's say this one more time for our viewers. The best way to improve your fluency is to think in English, not just translate. And this routine is the perfect way to start.
Yes. And if you keep doing this for 21 days, it will become your habit. Slowly, your brain will stop translating and start thinking directly in English.
That's what fluency really means, thinking and speaking naturally. So, dear viewers, make this English morning thinking routine a part of your life.
Let's now summarize what we have learned in this video. We talked about the importance of starting your day with English. We shared a simple 5-step routine that includes greeting, describing surroundings, expressing feelings, planning your day, and self-talk.
We also gave extra tips like motivational phrases, checking new words later, and making English your everyday habit.
If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English with Altaf. Practice this routine every morning and tell us in the comments how it helped you.
We'll see you in the next video with more practical tips to improve your English. Until then, keep smiling and keep thinking in English.
Take care and happy learning.
Goodbye.